This is Saturday, the 4th of April, 2020. And today we're going to be in Deuteronomy chapter 24, starting in verse 10, if you want to get your copy of God's Word out. And what we're going to be talking about today is generosity. That is our key word, generosity. And in particular, I want to focus on two aspects of that word today. One is respect and the other is care. And you'll see that highlighted in these verses. So if you have your copy of God's Word, let's go ahead and read starting in verse 10 of Deuteronomy 24. When you make a loan of any kind to your neighbor, do not enter his house to collect what he offers as security. You must stand outside while the man you are making the loan to brings the security out to you. And you see there, you're making a loan to someone and they have to offer something of security, and you're giving them a measure of respect by letting them go into their home and finding that article. And so as generous people, obviously we may not be making a loan, we're helping people by giving them food, but we want to be very respectful toward them. And that's part of being generous. It's not being showing pity towards someone, but really part of generosity is showing respect to that person because they are a human being worthy of dignity, and we want to respect that. Let's continue on in verse 12 and following. If he is a poor man, you must not sleep in the garment he has given as security. Be sure to return it to him at sunset. Then he will sleep in it and bless you, and this will be counted as righteousness to you before the Lord your God. And so part of the word generosity, we already talked about respecting that person that we're helping, but also caring for them. And by giving them their garment back, they're able to sleep in that garment. And this is what Deuteronomy 24 is talking about. And they're able to keep warm. And when they do, they're going to bless your name before the Lord. And so generosity includes many things, but two things today: respecting the person that we're helping and having genuine care for them. And it's not just physical things. In many ways, the people within your home, you can show generosity toward them, not just with tangible items like food and shelter, but also intangible things like your love, your attention, your quality time. So today, let's practice generosity to those around us, those that are in physical need, but also those that are emotionally hurting, or maybe they need an extra measure of time with you, or love, or concern. And as we look at that word, again, respect and care, what a beautiful way to start our day. God bless you. We'll see you all tomorrow.